Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Saki Does Stuff, Toys, and Collectibles. We have an exciting new unboxing again today, and I'm very excited to open this character up. I did not have this when I was a kid, but this is a Masters of the Universe Origins character, and as you can see, it's a Mattel Creations. Upside down, you can see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up. I was already so excited when it arrived. I actually cut the tape here already and had to pull it out and look at it. Just couldn't help myself. Anyways, without further ado, let's open this up and reveal the next character we're gonna unbox here. Stuck. What's going on? It is Rokkon from the Masters of the Universe Origins collection. And transforms into a rock. Now the packaging on this is something else. I actually got Grizzlor in. I got that one, and as you can see on this shipping box, it's just got this little design on it, and Grizzlor has a cool sketch on it of Grizzlor. But you know, this character went for $20 online at Mattel Creations, so I'm guessing in order to keep the cost down on the figure, that maybe the packaging, or they went away from doing the fancy artwork on the shipper boxes, maybe. But anyways, enough about that. This one does have a cool, the card back slides off of it, revealing the character. And you might as well look at this artwork here. That is something else. And I've actually seen other YouTubers showing the back of this. It's really neat how they did that. Just give you a minute to check that out. But I really like how they did this with the packaging, instead of ripping open the bottom or whatever and trying to, if you do want to collect the packaging and still want to open the figure, this way you can just slide the card back off and then your figure's out. But let's put that here. Got a little piece of cardboard here. Put that over there. Let's leave that out for inspiration. You can just kind of check that out, and it also helped me since I zoomed in my phone to help focus. Come with a mini comic that, well, we'll just drop you. Sorry about that, Rokkon. The mini comic comes in plastic, which is cool. Slide that off there, protects it. The Spear of Eternity. I'll just give you a look at the comic there. You can pause the video if you'd probably zoom in if you wanted to read the comic. If I don't put my thumb in the way, of course. There we go. Turn the page. And we'll try to not to block the text there if you want to check it out. And that is that. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in the plastic. It's kind of neat. It gets its own special comic, and they give it the full treatment by putting it in a bag there to protect it. So here we have Rokkon. That is so cool. He's kind of stuck behind the... Okay, there's one of the bands. I'll have to get my little scissors out. We're going to have to... And there's this little blaster deal there. So I'm going to go grab my scissors quick because I forgot them, of course. With all the excitement of wanting to unbox this. And we will only see the one. Oh, there's one right here. Be careful. And one in here. Anybody's head? I think the head's just held on. Or no, that is one by the head. I thought for some reason that the plastic was formed over this part, but it's not. It's one of those bands. So I will try to be very careful not to scratch your head. Maybe like that. And are you free? There's one arm, the legs, and yes, Rokkon is free. Actually, it feels really good. The plastic on it. That is so cool. So where does I want to be very careful with. Yeah, I think it's supposed to bend there, but very stiff joint there. Cool. His boots twist and all that good stuff. Like that. Is there a rocking action of the ankles? If it is, it's very stiff. Yep. And the head, you go up and down. It's kind of ratchety. Hear it? Huh. That's neat. But he can turn his head. Alright, let's get that blaster out. I don't know if the original did that or not. Because like I said, I did not have that as a kid. But that twirls around like that. Neat. You can either plug it into the figure's chest, like so. Do a little spin. Hypnotize your Skeletor's forces. Oop, I got a little too carried away there. It does plug in pretty tight right there. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Or like that. There we go. Got to be less scared. That time it plugged in real good. But you can look at that. Like I said, hypnotize Skeletor's forces or whatever. Let's take that out there. See how it fits in the hand. I have a feeling it's going to be hard to. Yeah, I have to hold it like so from a side angle. Or maybe not. There we go. Put it in his hand like this and then twist it over a little bit, and there you got the gun in the hand. Like that. Boy, I'm having too much fun just flipping that around. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to use it, but mine's pretty loose there. I have no idea if the vintage one did that or not, but it's pretty cool. I like it. As you can already tell. But there we go. There's, give you a shot there of Rokkon. Let's get up front and center here so people can see you. Like that. It's probably going to be the thumbnail right there. But I'll get it even closer for you. So you can see the paint, and the paint's really cool. Like that. And now, for the fun part, let's try to transform him into the rock. Turn the wrist and then probably just pull it out like that. Okay. You know what? This one didn't have the. Usually the figures have the black and white sheet instructions that tell you how to twist them and everything like that. That's one thing this doesn't have. But I'm gonna try to figure out. Okay, that one goes together all right. You gotta kind of, oh, that's how you do it. You gotta turn his feet in, evidently, like that. And then you got really tight joints, which will help for posing. Oh, his waist turns. It does turn. Cool. Then kind of like there it is. There we go. Kind of fold them into a rock shape like that. There you go. There's Rokkon in comet or boulder form or whatever you want to call it. I'm actually too nervous to try to. I don't know if the legs come together anymore. That doesn't feel like it, and I don't want to force it because this was Mattel Creations exclusive. So if I break it, I don't think I'm gonna have to live with it. I think if I break it. But anyways, I'm gonna display the character with his blaster in hand or on his chest or whatever. Solar plexus, more accurate. Because that's what I remember all the... there you go. I gotta put it like that, I think, for that position. But yeah, the joints are feeling better the more I move them. And it's not just this character. It's like with all the Origins. I've always been nervous about popping their limbs off or especially their wrists, the hands, to put the other hands on. If you watch the Leech video, I get very nervous doing that. So I'm basically going to just display these. There we go. Kind of standing like that. That's probably either that way or with the gun in the hand is how I plan on displaying them. But anyways, that is Rokkon. I believe that's how you pronounce it. But I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.